Omicron's very emergence is another reminder that although many of us might think we're done with COVID-19, it's not done with us.
नए वेरिएंट की खबरें भी हमें और सतर्क करती हैं और सजग करती हैं।
Today, we are announcing B11529 as a variant of concern named Omicron.
A variant of concern, possibly a deadlier variant. The super COVID mutant sends shockwaves across the world. The variant first discovered in South Africa hints at an increased risk of reinfection with Omicron. How did the discovery of a super variant trigger a global alarm even among vaccinated people? It all goes back to South Africa's biggest private test lab, the Lancet Lab. The head of science at the lab, Raquel Vienna, never saw it coming. A casual sequencing of genes on 8 different samples of the coronavirus generated large number of mutations. Raquel was stunned. The mutations on the spike protein that the virus uses to enter human cells were large. Raquel weighed on the possibility of something going wrong in the sequencing. However, the sample results were mind-numbing. A phone call was made to the National Institute for Communicable Diseases in Johannesburg. Raquel's colleague and gene sequencer Daniel Amoako was the first to know. Daniel, along with his team, spent the weekend testing out all 8 samples, only to find that they had the same mutations. Confirming the doubts of Daniel's team, surge in COVID-19 cases indicated a possible new mutant. Previously, Lancet Labs' Raquel noticed an S gene dropout, which is one of the mutations of the Omicron variant. The variant had some characteristics with the Alpha variant, which has not been reported since August in South Africa. Other health departments and labs were informed in South Africa subsequently after 32 tests were conducted in Johannesburg and Pretoria. The very same day, the NICD feeds data on the Global Science Database only to find the same gene sequence reported in Hong Kong and Botswana. On November 24, the NICD broke the news to the World Health Organization. The Omicron variant sparks fear across the globe. Countries are limiting travel from at-risk nations and imposing containment measures to quickly prevent the spread of the variant.